This is the board loading state. Now it is static state. Let's take a static picture first. This is water washing. This is micro-etching. Micro-etching requires chemicals. Then there are 6 nozzles here. You can spray the solution out. This side is the same. We won't open it here. The same as that one. Then this side is ultrasonic cleaning. This side is pickling. Pickling is also this kind of spray head, used to spray pickling solution. Then this is water washing. Water washing is the same as acid washing. There is a small partition like this to prevent water splashing. Then this is also water washing. Then this is anti-oxidation. Antioxidant can be understood as soaking and washing. You will see water splashing here. Water will bubble up from here. Let's take a look at the soaking and washing process. Let's see how it soaks. The water level will slowly rise. But it won't appear here. The water level will rise and soak to the required height. All the way to here. This is all soaking and washing. This side is also soaking and washing. There are two stages of soaking process. This is water washing. Then this is the dry board, drying state. We will look at the specific process later. And now let's take a look at the etching spray demonstration. We stop the etching spray and then turn it on. The solution will be sprayed here for etching. Let's take a look at the bottom. We have added isolation panels to all the spraying areas. Spraying can only be done in these areas. These are all the same. Let's get the machine moving now. Let's take a look at the entire board passing process now. Let's put a 1mm board first. The roller below will drive the board into the processing sequence. This is the degreasing process. Let's turn on the spray. Now it's the water washing process, and the water washing is also spray type. We can see the movement of the plate. Now it is the surface micro-etching. We can clearly see the movement of the plate. Now we see the ultrasonic process. This is the ultrasonic working area. Did I miss it? Let's find it. See if it has passed by here. Let's ask the engineer to put a few more pictures. This side is still washed with water, same as before. We are waiting here for the plates to enter. We have a blank inspection area for each area. Now let's wait for the board here. Okay, it's coming. Now let's look at the soaking process. Let's look at another soaking wash that has not started. Okay, now we go through the water wash again. After the board is clean, it enters the drying section. We can see it entering the drying process. Now we are waiting for the finished product to come out. You can see that the finished product is dry when it comes out. There is no water stain on it. And the temperature is about 37 degrees. Human body surface temperature. Let's wait for a few more. This thing will record the number of plates. You can calculate the daily production capacity. You can see that there are no water stains on the surface. And it is very clean. This is the assembly line method. We just need to wait here for the plate processing to be completed. We just need to wait here quietly for the plate processing to be completed. Then we will connect your subsequent processes, such as painting, drying, etc. We put a total of 3 1mm plates. Let's look back at the process. This is cooling. After the drying stage, it cools down. Otherwise it will be very hot. This is water washing. Water washing. This is anti-oxidation, or soaking washing. You can see the inside of the soaking washing. It covers a heating tube, which is titanium. There will be a fan blowing here. Anything is water washing, pickling, micro-etching. All of them are spray type. Of course, there is also degreasing here. We put the plate we just made. Let's take a look at the back of the machine. There is water in here, and this is where the water is stored. The water will be drawn out and then sprayed or soaked. This is the inside of the drying section. Okay, this video ends here. If you, my friend, you need this process equipment, or you need us to customize the process equipment you need, please contact me.